quick, efficient, knowledgeable professional. I'm Matthew Buck. I work for Greater Regional Health in Creston, Iowa, which is a hospital, and it's a regional health system down in southwest Iowa. There are many opportunities for me to reach out to Rainbow. The different solutions that we've gone through in the past was when we've come into campuses that have had mold mitigation. I've utilized them in 3 different water breaks. There's been water damage where we have a lot of water going through the hospitals. If there is a mishap, a break, or anything like that, it pours a lot out. I call them, they answer. They always come ready to go.
Rainbow Restoration will take care of you every step of the way. We're here to answer your questions, walk you through the process, and make sure that you are on board with everything we're doing.
Reliability, dependability. They'll help you with all aspects. They'll put you at ease when something happens that's out of the ordinary or unforeseen. When I call them, they're immediately on the ball. They answer promptly, and when they get there, they get right to work. They don't mess around. They work perfectly with us. They understand the dynamics of the health in the institution and what's at stake to get the job done. They've been very respectful and spectacular to work with.